If you're traveling anytime soon, pay attention, this matters. I'm Eliza Orlins, career public defender for 15 years in Manhattan, and right now I'm in Puerto Rico for Somos, where New York leaders come together every year to talk policy and community, and honestly, I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get home. Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy just announced the FAA will cut flight capacity by 10% at 40 major airports starting this Friday morning, affecting up to 4,000 flights a day. Why? Because air traffic controllers haven't been paid since October 1st. They're exhausted, working mandatory overtime, some taking second jobs just to afford gas and childcare. The FAA says they're already seeing fatigue and they're acting before this becomes a safety crisis. But hubs like Atlanta, JFK, LaGuardia, Newark, O'Hare, Dallas, Newark, Phoenix, Seattle all hit hard. International flights are exempt, so domestic travelers will feel this the most. And here's the context you aren't hearing in your travel alerts. This shutdown is happening because Republicans are demanding cuts that would make healthcare unaffordable for millions of Americans. And at the same time, they are refusing to fund SNAP despite a court order. They're literally taking food away from millions of families and children. So yes, expect airport chaos, but the real crisis isn't just delayed flights. It's people losing healthcare, parents worrying about feeding their kids. It's workers keeping our skies safe, unpaid, exhausted, and stretched beyond the limit. Here's what travelers need to know. You can get a refund even on non-refundable tickets. Airlines are still deciding which flights to cut. Check constantly because changes will be last minute. We are now in week 6 of this shutdown, the longest shutdown in U.S. history, and the FAA administrator says he's never seen anything like this in 35 years. So if you're traveling, prepare for delays, have a backup plan, and maybe rethink your trip coming up this weekend. But remember, this isn't a glitch. This is the direct consequence of political choices, and real people are paying the price. Make sure you're following me for more breakdowns, and leave questions in the comments if you have them.